Hello guys and welcome to this Hubspot marketing hub tutorial. In the next minutes, I'm going to build for you a full webinar funnel in Hubspot Marketing Hub. The landing page plus the form, the email nurture with A/B tests, retargeting ads and social posts, all tied to one single campaign so you can report end-to-end results. The first thing, guys, is that we need to put everything under a single campaign so your assets roll up to one dashboard, okay? So what are we gonna do? We're gonna go to marketing in here. Please remember to either uncollapse or collapse this menu. Okay, now just go to campaigns. And now we're gonna start a new campaign, as you can see in here, all right? If it's the first time you create a campaign, you're gonna get this tutorial kind of help, but I don't actually recommend it. Just click on I'll do it for myself. Also, I'm just gonna create it from scratch instead of from a template, and I'm gonna click on next. Now let's give this a name, which is gonna be Automation in 2025 webinar. Okay, that's gonna be the title of our webinar. A color, and we have to assign an owner, okay, which in this case is gonna be me. Now the start date is, for example, I'm just gonna set it to next month, all right? And the end date, I'm gonna set it to next month, but like a week later maybe. And I'm just gonna click on create once my details are good. Campaigns let you create, manage, and report a multi-asset initiative in one place. We can associate every single asset we make to this campaign so we can track performance collectively and individually. Let's now capture signups with a landing page and a form. What are we gonna do, guys, is we're just gonna go to the search bar and we're gonna go to website in here and just click on website pages in here, and you can just create one, okay? Now you can create one with AI, which is what I'm gonna do because I don't wanna lose too much time, but you can also do it from scratch. I'm gonna give it this prompt, automation in 2025, free live webinar, and the content is gonna be in, in English, all right? And I'm just gonna click on next. I recommend that you create this and make it as detailed as possible, but yeah. Now you have to select a goal and style and just click on generate website when you're ready. And after a couple minutes, there we have it. Not so bad for, an AI web page. Now what are we gonna do is we need to add a form, okay? So what I want to do, guys, is actually you can see here that we have kind of a form, but this is not good enough in my opinion, so I'm just gonna delete this, okay? So I'm gonna add like a new one. I'm gonna click on this add button here, and I'm gonna go to form, and I'm gonna drag this in here, right? Now you have to select the kind of form that you want to apply. You have several examples here, or you can create your own one from scratch. After you're ready and all of the fields make sense, just click on apply changes. And there we have it. You can also follow up with an email by clicking on this button on the form, okay? After you're ready, just click on publish. This is going to be your link that you can copy paste. Now we have to create the email nurture sequence, okay? For that, just come to marketing, click on email, and you can select one of these templates, or you can just start from scratch, as I'm going to do here. And now just drag whatever you want to drag in here. In my case, it's going to be some text, all right? And you can also do some images, but you can modify this to your liking. And this is going to be basically our confirmation email, so I'm just going to rename this. And I'm gonna click on review and send. I forgot, but in the inbox section or in the send to section, you have to select marketing information, and then you have to select newsletter subscribers or whatever list you might have in here, which in my case is gonna be this one, okay? But I don't have any. So yeah, guys. And once you finish, you do the same with the rest of the emails. You should have like a reminder, a thank you, and things like that, okay? So like a different sequence of emails, all right, guys? Something that I recommend to do is that you add like a call to action in your emails, and for that you can basically drag in the email editor a button, as you can see in here. You can just drag it, okay, and you can just modify it. Just say click here, for example, or things like that, okay? Click here. We can modify the tags. And we can paste whatever URL we want to redirect this user to, which is usually going to be, your website or, things like that. You can also amplify the launch of your campaigns using schedule social. If you go to marketing and then social, you can connect your accounts such as Instagram, YouTube, and there you can basically select when you want to schedule them for posting. Now, the reason why we created a campaign in the first place is because we can add all of these assets, about the social media, the emails, and everything like that to this campaign, as you can see in here, right? So you can just click on marketing, campaigns, add assets, and then, for example, if we go to marketing emails, we can just, do this, okay, and click on save. And that's gonna track our emails and our social media inside of this campaign, which is cool. And we can also assign different tasks. Okay, guys, so yeah, that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.